and for security, more in charge of security, interior minister, all the others, mon regulated those private security. I quite remember say there was a time when Cheddar eba if ya me kura me koi abontia me ba inside no, the guy didn't want me to even enter. And drew baby a extreme and you should control them. Omo kwan fast so omo etimi regulate no ma. Se be Ghana obi a me Cheddar hwe, obi a me ku Cheddar, wan e be ku Cheddar. Ana wan e be ku Cheddar. I nu nti papa pani hwe na nim bone bo se ngu. What kind of thing is that? What kind of behavior is this? Private security. Now even President of the Republic or namo security omo kan no sa no mbobo ni pare. That wa pimpani pa sebo. To turn one sorry be ma, what will you do? E dey akra so no. Munya sika ne ade a chese sa kakabensem ne sa no ma no ekwan. Wa ba obi krom odehye obi krom. Wa ba o ba be January. Is that how you should behave? Cheddar, talk to your private security. I'm saying this because my experience be when you came here for interview, me experience be say. Me experience be Nana Jantwa was going to host you, Cheddar. I'm a co-host. Me Pierre Bonti me be rest studio. The guy didn't want me to enter the studio. One ebe ku Cheddar. One ebe ku Cheddar. And there are cameras here to prove it. One ebe ku Cheddar. And you be papa yibu amana tiahwe nyame nkoanku o yefrim. Now the president of the republic, the vice president, omo security mpo sabe manfo eso omo kochia omo no mo ben omo kra ye bo omo to fam sa. Ye bo omo to fam sa. Why would you do this? This is uncalled for and it needs to be addressed. If the interior minister, Honorable Muntaka Mubarak, if you are watching this or you hear this, please, take action. Now, mun regulate you omo use private bodyguards and no more ye in Kromwano. Why?